Welcome back to the Pacific Disaster Center, DisasterAWARE Training Video Lesson 4, Advanced Use of DisasterAWARE Information Content. As we had discussed in Lesson 3, DisasterAWARE holds a large number of dynamic and static data, providing knowledge and understanding on situational awareness to disaster managers. As a result, DisasterAWARE has several functions within the layers palette to facilitate organization and searching of the data layers. Buttons in the upper right corner allow the user to view data layers in two formats: List View and Folder View. While in List View, the user can click on the toggle buttons in the upper left to display all layers in ascending or descending alphabetical order, or to sort layers by those that are currently visible in the map frame. Sometimes the quickest way to find relevant data is to search for it by using the keyword search. This tool searches the layer names and will display the layers that match any combination of characters as you type, regardless of where they appear in the name. DisasterAWARE also provides advanced functions to facilitate manipulation of data layers for enhanced use in data analysis. One of these capabilities is to add transparency to the data layer in order to see additional information underneath. This provides the user with the ability to layer static and dynamic data to create a powerful analysis and decision support tool. Cluster View provides another method for the user to interact with the data. Only select data layers that contain numerous data points has this display option that aggregates and counts the data points to see relative concentration of incidents. A user can then continue to drill down for further detail and to identify individual points. Also available in the list view is the Add KML button in the upper left corner. This allows the user to add KML files of interest for viewing in the map frame. Functionality works with KMLs up to version 2.2 as long as they are properly constructed and supports polygons, lines, points, multiple layers, graphics, and map tips. The Tools palette holds additional functions for further interaction with data. The Bookmark tool provides a convenient way to save and share combinations of layers and extents. Users of our public atlas will need to have an active MyPDC account to use the bookmark function. You can request an account through our main website or when prompted when initiating this function. To set up a bookmark, first arrange the map frame extent and layers to your preference. Within the Tools palette, click on Bookmark and then select Create New Bookmark. Bookmarks can be made visible only to each individual user when set as private, or made public, allowing the user to copy and paste the bookmark URL into a document or email. Selecting the type will allow you to choose the viewer preferences by extent only, data layers only, or both. By making this your default view, this bookmark will load each time you access the application. In order to share this bookmark when it is visible as public, simply click on the copy URL and the URL is ready to be pasted into a document or email. The Draw tool is another function on the Tools palette that allows the user to temporarily add polygons, lines, and points on the map to emphasize or call attention to a particular area of interest. This can be of particular use during meetings to indicate areas of road closures, egress routes, hazardous chemical spill, or dispatch areas for supply distribution. Finally, the regional reporter offers a report of current and historical information on a particular area of interest. Once the regional reporter tool button has been activated, the user can draw a rectangle on the map to indicate the area to be included in the report. Notice there is a spatial limit when using the regional reporter, and when the box turns red, that limit has been exceeded. Click Submit, and the regional report will open in a separate window to display information such as historic and active hazards, demographic information, land use, and infrastructure data. The document can then be printed out or sent by email for further distribution. This concludes Lesson 4 and also ends the series of training in Atlas, the public tier of DisasterAWARE. All future training will highlight functionality available in our password-protected version of DisasterAWARE called eMOPS. eMOPS is available to the local and international audience involved in disaster management and risk reduction. Users have the ability to view, add, and disseminate additional information about hazards such as photos, maps, situation reports about current events, or view past reports on historical hazards. If you are interested in learning more, please continue to Lesson 5, eMOPS Basic Functionality. We hope to see you there. Thank you.